This is the technology plan for the Wonderland School District from the 2020 to 2023 academic school year. These are just some of the key points for the overarching plan so that we can have a clear visual understanding of what our vision will be for the plan and what components are required for the plan to be fully and successfully implemented. If we look at our message, our mission is to increase learning outcomes and academic achievement through technology integration. Our vision for this plan is to provide our students with the 21st century skills necessary for a changing world. Our values: empower students and staff, implement technology integration, and foster a dynamic learning community. Who are the leaders that are going to take part in this? Our stakeholders. At the very top will be our superintendent, who will be the chief executive of operations. Then we have principals. We will have one elementary school principal, one middle school principal, and one high school principal to serve as stakeholders. Teachers. 3 teachers, one elementary teacher, one middle school teacher, and one high school teacher. And then we're going to have 13 other officials, ranging from computer specialists down to the PTA representative, because all involved in the learning outcomes of our students must be stakeholders for this plan to be successful. SMART goals. We have 3 overarching goals for the implementation of this technology plan. For goals 1 and 2, we hope for 100% technology access for our students by the 2022-2023 academic school year. The timeline for this: by 2020-2021, all 9th through 12th graders will have one-to-one technology. For 2021-2022, all middle school grades will have technology integration one-on-one, and 2022 to 2023, all elementary school students grades K through 5 will have technology integration. Goal 3. Students, parents, faculty, and community members will collaborate effectively to improve learning. The timeline: by the end of 2020-2021, professional developments will be implemented for all high school teachers grades 9 through 12. For 2021 to 2022, PDs will be implemented for middle school grades 6 through 8. And for 2022-2023, PDs will be implemented for grades K through 5 at the elementary level. What is the student outcome for these SMART goals? The learning tree. Our students will be creative communicators, computational thinkers, knowledge constructors, empowered learners, digital citizens, innovative designers, and global collaborators. Finally, the budget. Google is going to be the main technology we're going to use for implementation of the one-to-one plan. The budget items: Chromebooks, $200 each and $20 per month for Chromebook education programs, followed by professional development of Google Level 1 and Level 2 certification programs. For the 2020-2021 school year, we will spend $346,720 on Chromebooks for the high school students and $200 for professional development of Level 1 Google certifications for the high school teachers. For the 2021-2022 school year, we will spend $693,440 for the teachers and students, and $400 for Level 1 PDs and $500 for Level 2 PDs. For the 2022-2023 school year, we will spend $2.4 million for grades K through 5 teachers and students, $650 for Level 1 PDs, and $750 for Level 2 PDs. And in total, the total sum for all 3 years will be $3,473,660 for full implementation of the technology plan.